Hello students, good morning all of you. Now exercise 4.1 has been finished and this is the time to solve some numerical problem of exercise 4.2 which is based on the chapter of negative and integers, negative number and integers. And students, in previous video I have also explained the topic what is number line, because it is the this concept is used to solve for this question. Okay, so first of all I have to remind the definition of number line. Number line is a horizontal line in which all the points represent a integers, so it is called a number line. नंबर लाइन एक ऐसी हॉरिजॉन्टल लाइन होती है जिसके हर इस पॉइंट को जो है हम इंटीजर से रिप्रेजेंट कर सकते हैं. एंड इंटीजर इज द कलेक्शन ऑफ ऑल द नेगेटिव नंबर्स, पॉजिटिव नंबर्स इंक्लूडिंग जीरो इज कॉल्ड द integers. Okay, so keep in mind this concept. We are going to solve some number problem of exercise 4.2. so let's start. First question is using number line at the following. Student, you have to use the number line for adding this integers, positive integers. So first of all you have to draw a line like this and place the number 1 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 and 14. So students, when you are drawing the line of this number line, so keep one thing, that the distance, the gap between each and every point should be equal or same. It means if you are drawing the number line, then the gap between each and every point should be same. Okay, so now we have to add in 10, we have to add plus 4. So you have to start from this point 10 and you go through like this 1 2 3 and 4. First, second, third and fourth. Then which number we have reached? At 14. Hence the answer is 14. Now in question number B, you have to add minus 4 in 10. Then again you have to draw a number line like this. Again indicate the points plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 plus 9 and plus 10. Now again you have to add minus 4 in 10. It means you have to go through left side of 10, because it is the sign of the 4 is negative 4, negative sign, and here the sign of the 4 is positive sign. So if you have to add positive number, then you have to go through right side of the number, and if you add to the negative number, then you have to go through left side of the number. So you have to start from 10 and go through 4 digit left side like this. First, second, third and fourth. Now which number we have reached? That 6. So the answer of this question is 6 plus 6 are 6. Both are equal. So student, before moving on next question, pause the video to note it down in your copy or take a screenshot. Now student, we are going to solve the question number 2. Question number 2 is based on the subtraction of the positive and negative integers. So in this question also you have to solve, you have to subtract on the number line, but before using number line, first of all you have to simplify this question in mathematical form, like you have to subtract -6. You have to subtract -6 from 10. It means you have to write this number by this. Okay, so if you have to add this type of number like -6 from 10 or 6 from 10, then first of all you have to write the number after from. बच्चों, जब हम किसी नंबर को इस तरह से सब्ट्रैक्ट करने के लिए दिया जाता है कि अगर 5 from 6 यानी 5 में से 6 में से 5 को माइनस करना है, तो हमें इसका हिंदी में अगर हम इसको रीड करेंगे तो इसका मतलब होगा 10 में से -6। तो ये इसका जो है हिंदी का मीनिंग है। बहुत बच्चे जो है इसमें गलत कर देते हैं, इसमें उनको समझ में आता नहीं है और वो इस तरह से लिख देते हैं, तो ये गलत है बच्चों, ठीक है। दिस इज रॉन्ग बिकॉज इन द what is the meaning of this is 10 में से -6. It means 10 में से you have to subtract -6 from 10. Okay, so keep in mind because it is very necessary concept which you have to keep in your mind. And now some concepts are given in this book, in this chapter, like multiplication of operator. What is the multiplication of operators? It means first is plus into plus is equal to plus, minus into minus is equal to also plus, minus into plus is equal to minus, and plus into minus is equal to minus. Okay, so you have to write these concepts in your copy, that if you multiply the operators, then what is the result? If we multiply plus into plus, then we will get the positive sign. If you multiply both negative sign, then we will also get the positive sign. We will also get the positive sign. And if you multiply one negative sign and one positive sign, one negative number or one positive number, you have to say, then you will get the again negative sign, and the same way plus into minus is equal to minus. So we are using these concepts in this for solving this question. Like here, what is the meaning of this? It means there is no operator. There is no operator means there is a minus. If there is no operator like this, then you have to put the operator multiplicative operator, because you have to multiply this negative sign by this negative sign by multiplicative operator. बच्चों, अगर इस तरह से क्वेश्चन में अगर इस तरह से ब्रैकेट है और एक माइनस साइन इधर है, एक माइनस साइन इधर है और एक ब्रैकेट ऐसे लगा हुआ है, तो इसका मतलब होता है कि दो नेगेटिव साइन अगर हैं या दो पॉजिटिव साइन है, दो एक नेगेटिव है एक पॉजिटिव है, इससे कोई मतलब नहीं है। बस ये ध्यान रखना है कि अगर इस तरह से सिचुएशन आता है तो इसका मतलब होता है कि ये आपस में मल्टीप्लाई हो रहे हैं। तो जब मल्टीप्लाई होंगे तो इसका रिजल्ट हम क्या लिखेंगे? प्लस। ओके, so if you multiply minus into minus, then we will get plus. Now you have to add, you have to solve this question on the number line like this. First of all, you have to draw the number like this and place the number +1, +2, +3, +4, +5, +6, +7, +8, +9, +10, +11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16. Now we have to move from 10 to +6. It means we have to go through right side of 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It is first move, second movement, third, fourth, fifth and sixth. Okay. Now which number we have to reach? 16 then, and the answer is 16. Now we are moving on next question. Question number B is you have to subtract 8 from 16. So keep in mind what is the meaning of this condition is you have to subtract 8 from 16. It means you have to write 16 minus 8, not 8 minus 16. This is wrong. Okay. So when we have given, we have to subtract from 8 from 16, then we have to write 16 minus 8. Now we have to subtract on the number line. Then first of all you have to draw the number line. +1, +2, +3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 13, 14, 15 and 16. Now we have to move from 16 to -8 means we have to move from 16 to left side of 16. It means like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh and eighth. Then what is the answer of this? Which number we have to reach? We have reached at 8. So the answer of this question is 8. Okay students, so before moving on next question, pause the video to note it down in your copy or take a screenshot. Now students, we are moving on next question. Question number 3 is you have to add without using number line. It means you have to use the concept which I have given in previous topic, that what is the multiplication of operators. So keep in mind all the rule, because with the help of these multiplication operator concept, then we have to solve some numerical problem without using number line. So you have to keep in mind all the concept like this: plus into plus is equal to plus, minus into minus is equal to plus, minus into plus is equal to minus, and plus into minus is equal to also minus. Okay. So if you have given this type of situation like plus into bracket and minus, it means you have to multiply plus into minus. You have to multiply plus into minus, then what we will get? Minus. Okay. So use this concept for solving this question. Then we will get 100 plus into minus is 125. Here 1000 is given. 1000 plus. So we have to subtract find 125 from 1000. So we will get 10 minus 5 is 5. Here 9 minus 2 is 7. Here 9 minus 1 is 8. Then we will get 875. Again we have to use this concept for solving this question. Plus into minus is minus, and plus into minus is also minus. Now we have to subtract this number from this number. 10 minus 2 is 8. Here 9 minus 1 is 7. Here 3 minus 3 is 0, and we will get 1. Now again we have to subtract. 8 minus 2 is 6. 7 minus is equal to 6. 10 minus is equal to 4. Then we will get 466. Let me check if the answer is correct or not. Uh, 8 minus 2 is 6. 7 minus 1. 10 minus 2 is 8. Here 9 minus 1 is 8. Then 8 minus 1 is 7. Okay. Now again we have to solve minus 800 and plus. Here 270 has without sign. No sign are given before 270, so it is treated as plus 270, because if a number given without sign, then we have to say that it is a positive number, so we have to write. Now if you add a negative number, a positive number, if you add a negative number, a positive number, then you have to subtract a small number from large number like this. Then we will get 10 minus 7 is 3, and 7 minus 2 is 5. And what is the sign which you have to use? So keep in mind also this concept that if you are given a large number and a small number, and if a large number has this negative sign, then put the sign is negative. यदि बच्चों अगर किसी भी नेगेटिव साइन, किसी भी नेगेटिव नंबर, किसी भी पॉजिटिव नंबर को अगर आपको ऐड करना है, किसी भी नेगेटिव नंबर या किसी भी पॉजिटिव नंबर को आपको ऐड करना है, तो उसके लिए हम सब्ट्रैक्ट करते हैं. लार्ज नंबर स्मॉल नंबर को लार्ज नंबर से माइनस करते हैं, सब्ट्रैक्ट करते हैं, तो हमें जो रिजल्ट आता है वो लिख देते हैं. और उसके बाद जो साइन होता है, वो साइन का यूज़ हम कैसे करेंगे? जो नंबर बड़ा होता है, जो नंबर लार्ज होता है, उसी का साइन यहाँ पे यूज़ कर लिया जाता है इस तरह से. सो दिस इज द फाइनल आंसर. दिस इज द कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ इंटीजर. हाउ कैन वी ऐड इंटीजर्स आर पॉजिटिव, आइदर पॉजिटिव इंटीजर आर नेगेटिव इंटीजर. सो नाउ स्टूडेंट, watch all the steps, all the solution of this type of question, and solve the some remaining question which I have left today. So this is the homework for today's. Is you have to you have to solve some numerical problems of some remaining question from question 1 to 3. So thank you very much for being with us.